Hey, I'm going to show you how to connect to a WFS server using Mundi, the open source WebGIS. Here in this case, I'm actually connecting to a GeoServer run by the Statistics Department of Finland. And they've provided their information via GeoServer via the OGC WFS protocol. Web feature services are a very common way that GIS data is shared, and so we can actually import that directly into Mundi. I'm here at app.mundi.ai, and I'm going to hit create a new map. I'm going to enter the map, and I'm going to hit add layer source and hit connect to WFS in the dropdown. Here I can name this whatever I want. I'm going to name this Finland data. And I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste my WFS link. Here I'm naming a particular layer of data that I can fetch, so I can go ahead and change that. And this is going to help me craft the right query. Then I'm going to hit connect to WFS. Mundi is set to re-pull data automatically, and initially it'll actually generate a tiles for the data, so that'll help it load quite fast. Yeah, okay, so it says it was added successfully. I'm going to go ahead and refresh, and here it is. So we have about 10,000 rows here, and it says that the original source data is in 3067, and we can actually zoom in here. We note that there's not some data around the lake, and maybe if I go to this one, I can view all of the attributes for the feature there. Yeah, so that's how you connect to a WFS server using Mundi, and now I can share this link around and share it with my friends. Thanks.